This is the world's first ever 3D printed coral frag tree. I've designed this for a Nano Aquarium, 30 centimeters, 30 centimeters. And I thought, okay, how much coral can I actually get in there? And then I thought, okay, I have to go up, of course. And then I thought, okay, actually, efficiency space-wise, a vertical water column, like a square and then very high, would be the most efficient, space-efficient way, living room, garage, or whatever, to get as much water. You want to go up with the water. Now, that is, of course, not recommended for reef aquariums, because you want to keep the gas exchange as efficient as possible. That's what I always advise. Very low, wide, and long reef aquariums. But I decided, actually, I'm going to try and do that differently. I want as much water on as less space as possible in a living room. And I thought, okay, actually, in nature, there are things already doing that, which are called trees. They're competing for space, and they want as much light on the branches. So I thought, why not do it like that? So first, for this first attempt, I have 3 levels. 3 levels. And I tried not to overlap the coral frag positions. So I have an even number of frag positions on the bottom one, then an odd number, and then I go to an even number, and I go to an odd number again. And for this last one, I moved the pitch a little bit so as not to overlap in theory. Now, my theory is that somehow light bouncing will get to the bottom frags with no problem. And I'm going to see if this works, and I'm going to get all the live rock into the filter that I will design for the Nano Aquarium, because I don't want anything on the bottom. I want the bottom to be flowing enough to get the debris, to keep the debris suspended so it can filter it out. I find live rock on the bottom always makes dirt and dust pile up on the bottom and gets a big old mess. So I will let you know how it goes. This was Print the World, and of course, feel free to copy and improve if you can. Thank you.